Hello, namaste. Today we are making pomfret fish curry. For that, we are in search of that fish. In meanwhile journey, I'll show you important things in our area. Nature's beauty actually. Let us see we'll find that our required fish or not. These fish is called actually pomfret fish. In these varieties are there. Let us see what other fishes are also there. Maybe it can be used for our next recipe. I'm learning how many types of fishes are there, what are their names and all. It is a big graduation like study, I think. There are so many varieties of fishes. They have different names, different cultures, they'll cook differently. But most probably, let us start the curry. We found our fish and I bought it to my home after cleaning. 1 kg fish I got for 400. Let's start our cooking. Now you can see the spices. All what I am showing separately will make paste. Garlic, dalchi, ilachi and cloves. 1 paste. Green gingers and coconut. And red chilies with some poppy seeds, gasagasalu. And onions. Half paste and half pieces we'll use. And fish exactly 1 kg it is. Pomfret which I have shown you in the video. Now let us proceed with our recipe by making paste, masala paste. This was not cooked by me. It's a professional who's cooking this recipe. Just I am giving voice over. I hope outcome will be superb. So please follow. All that we kept in first mixing. That paste you can see orange color paste. See what I said. I will show you. Exactly 1 kg fish. 100 ml oil we are taking now. What she is telling means after frying onions, she'll collect some of the oil and keep aside. And in the middle she'll add again. So first she kept onions to fry. And 3 bay leaves she used along with the onions. 3 bay leaves she used. Now she is trying to fry them till they become brown. Till they become brown, she will fry it some. Now this is the half onions she did paste. That paste now she is adding now. Onions which we have shown for 1 kg. Small onions she took for nice flavors and taste. She said that this small onions bring nice texture to the curry and taste good. So small onions as we have shown you. Half of them she made a paste. No, that paste she added after onions got half fried. Now she is again mixing the onions only. Onions and bay leaves only she added till now. She collected few oil and kept aside to add in the middle. Now tomatoes and green chili cuts she is adding. I think she'll keep these also to fry. She is adding salt, 1 spoon. She is saying that after the gravy was totally ready, she'll check the salt again. So by the time she is keeping 1 spoon of salt. She is doing closed cooking. Now it's time for her to check again. Now it's done, it seems. Now what she is going to add is the paste. All the masalas, garlic, dalchi, cloves, coconut, everything she kept into mixie and did a paste. I have already shown you in our recipe. That paste she'll add, I think, after 5 minutes. Yes, now she'll add this gravy paste. This paste makes gravy in this recipe. Now she is adding. She is saying that she'll use little water to clean that plate to use the complete masala. 1 complete bowl of water she'll use in this. To keep full essence of the paste into it, she just kept little water. She'll add that also, it seems. This is a thick gravy. In Telugu, to say means it's iguru. We'll say it as iguru, thick gravy. Sanduva, iguru. This is a black sanduva in Telugu to say. In English means black pomfret fish. Thick gravy we are making, which tastes delicious. Really. You do try this. Please subscribe, share and like with your friends and relatives. The little oil which she took aside after while frying onions, she added now. She added now. This is only oil we are using, not using much oil. She kept very moderate range uses of oil she did, but she is saying that curry tastes like anything. It smells good. Now the 1 bowl of water also she added. Turmeric powder 2 spoons and chili powder 4 spoons. If you want more, you can prefer more. This thick paste will give taste for the fish, and the fish and this gravy combinedly when cooked will make a delicious food. Do try. Subscribe, share to get notified for further videos, and let us know your likes. Please give like after watching the video. Now completely she arranged all the 1 kg fish into this pan, cooking pan. She'll do open cooking only. Complete all pieces she arranged. That's why she took wide open mouth pan, it seems. Now just for 5 minutes she is keeping, but she don't prefer to keep lid for this gravy, it seems. For just first 5 minutes she is keeping. She'll remove, it seems. Now let us wait for that 5 minutes. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now she'll show us the cooked fish. It smells very nice. This is a famous fish which tastes delicious, and this fish is preferably used for this thick gravy itself, other than making stew, which is called pulusu. So please subscribe, like and share with your friends and relatives to get notified for further videos. And let us know your likes. More likes if we have seen. I'll think whomever watch has given like to our video. Please do that. And thank you so much for all our subscribers. Our curry is going to be cooked. Now she'll reveal the final finishing. Yes, see, such a nice wonderful curry we have.